where the beaches go. My house is not much to talk about. It's filled with love, grown and southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fry. It's good man, that's all you want. I turn around, not a starter. Where you going? Maybe I'm good. My taste will be glad to dish out a country boy down for me. You sure good, sitting in my right seat. Not in my bed, not letting go right. Los Angeles streets, the country roads. I can get you where you need to go, 'cause I'm a country boy. You can't fix that used to. It's like going back to me. She let her heart so right in your hands. Doesn't stop. There was a ball-headed muscle man living in the past, but it broke in and trying to light the match. Free fun, money wasn't you can make your best for the small town party. Well, who would ever guess? The bug doesn't stop. The bug doesn't stop. The bug doesn't stop. All right, one more time. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Everybody wants acceptance. We all just want some proof. Everyone's just looking for the truth. Everybody just wants to get right. Sit and watch a perfect world go right. We're all looking for love and meaning in our life. Follow the road that leads us. Turn to Jesus. Trust for Jesus. Oh, I need you, Jesus. What I had to do to make you turn, run back in my arms again. And even if your words are gone and say you'd like to stay, I'll reach you. Think you'd ever feel the same. I don't call you baby, and you don't call me friend. I guess you find somebody else who love you till the end. If you're ever lonely, just remember when I was weeping like a widow, right to you like the wind. truck beds I was getting. Brothers doing snubs out on some back country road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a double take. Time and I was going just about as far as she let me go. Her evaluation of my cowboy reputation and me begging for salvation all night long.
This next song is on our CD for sale out there, and our CD is $10, and shirts I can remember. And it's called Angels. I wrote this song to my dad. He passed away about 6 years ago. It's called Angels.
So long outside that window, we could feel the hurt in your eyes. Asked ourselves, what could it be? What could it be? She said that Daddy passed away. He was our father, he was a friend, he was our supporter through the end. I know we're gonna meet again, 'cause he's in a better place where the angels sing. The holler, old boys feeling like a dog on a collar, keeping that shady boat tight, waiting on Saturday night. Put on the sailhood, put on the skidder, head into town like a NASCAR winner, cruising back and forth to the Daisy Breeze. Everywhere you look, all you see, hillbilly can run, slip with the truck, big time in a small town. Well, tomorrow you will be